Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie Loris de Villion from grade 3A. The topic for today is go bag. Inside my go bag. Here are the things inside my go bag. Wipes, feeding bottle, milk, diapers because I have a baby brother, bandage, face mask, toothbrush and toothpaste, tissue, soap. Next is water, biscuits, canned goods, and medicines. Medicines for me and my brother. Alcohol and betadine. Cell phone, power bank, charger, and flashlight. IDs for personal information and some money. Don't forget your whistle. Always be ready for emergency and always pack your things. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching.